Looking for that quality and best pricing vacuum sealer out in the market for your kitchen organization needs and whatnot? The Bekind Swift Professional Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your home. With Bekind Vacuum Sealer, you can prepare your food faster than ever. You also get to enjoy your fresh food 5 times longer compared with regular storage practices. Operating is such a breeze with its automatic and responsive screen panel. The panel controls are designed carefully, making this food saver vacuum sealer very user-friendly. All you need are just 4 easy steps, and you can give that meal a great seal. Vacuum sealing effectively prevents spoilage and deterioration, giving that extended shelf life for your food. Bekind Swift Vacuum Sealer gives us options for 2 modes. It enables us to choose the best possible preservation method for the food we have. We can either press on dry mode for solid food items, or choose the moist mode for poached, simmered, or steamed food. Coming along with the vacuum sealer is the mag cut. It works wonders and makes customized bags in a snap, giving you the best value out of your money. 1 slide is all you need for that smooth cutting procedure. The mag cut is easily detachable and flexible, offering that versatility at your disposal. Bekind Swift Vacuum Sealer is an all-rounder and very efficient machine that safeguards your food's freshness. With its strong suction power and tight sealing capabilities, food is made sure to be fresh always. A free hose is also provided for your external vacuum needs. Be it for other food bag packages, food containers, or even for sealing your wine. Sealing multiple bags at the same time is amusingly possible because the sealer also features a 12-inch heat strip. The machine also comes with 10 vacuum sealer bags for food, along with other mini sealer accessories. With its compact design, simple operation, and ideal features, Bekind Vacuum Sealer for sure will save you lots of time and money. Elevate organizing and keeping your food fresh. Do it effortlessly with Bekind Vacuum Sealer.